Next question of Manong Ariel. Welcome to the Boyan Girls. Sonia and Manong Ariel. To next question.
Ikaw to, alig ko
We're
to.
coming back soon.
Hamalkaw. Kuya Arya, in the next video, he's gonna come here to the next video.
Oh, Manong Ariel is gonna come here in the next video. So, sorry in the next video.
Tariga.
Manong Ariel is at the school. I forgot it because I don't know.
In his school.
He go to school. He go to school because he had a homework now. So he get it. So let me call my dad to pick up Manong Ariel.
Kita Balmo. My dad is gonna pick up my mama Manong Ariel.
My dad is gonna pick up Manong Ariel now. Yay!
Emergency. Manong Ariel has died.
Oh my gosh. I thought
Hello, guys! Run!
Manong Ariel just scared me.
Ooh, spooky and crunchy. I'm gonna not show my face because I'm sick.
He's sick, guys, because he's sad.
No, that's sad. Ow! My tummy is hurting my booty. Ow! My tummy is hurting my booty.
This is just joking. To laugh you guys.
I don't like my butterfly. Hello, call me like a butterfly. I found a butterfly with eyes. Butterfly, I see a stupid butterfly.
It's only for kids. Stop saying that.
Butterfly. It is a stupid butterfly. Woo.
And the kids will learn it.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna turn off this cam because I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.
Bye. We're cutting this, so see you in the next video.
Wait. The cutting is finished. I will upload a next video. Bye.
Bye.